back to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. The recipe I'm sharing today, I kind of started thinking, hey, Christmas is coming, New Year's is coming, and we often need ideas for side dishes. So a white sauce for pasta is often a really good idea. You need different side dishes, and this is so simple to make. It's not expensive, it's really fast. So I hope you guys enjoy preparing this with me. The ingredients you need to make your white pasta are 200 grams of cream cheese, 250 milliliters of heavy cream, 410 grams of evaporated milk or unsweetened condensed milk. I was just pointed that out that in the US it's called unsweetened condensed milk. 50 grams of shredded cheese, that can be any kind you like, Monterey Jack, mozzarella, any type of cheese you like. Chicken stock or chicken bouillon in powder or salt, that's also for seasoning and it's as much as you like or need. A bit of butter and olive oil. 250 grams of ham cut up into little cubes. 500 grams of pasta, whichever shape you like. 100 grams of chopped up parsley. 1 garlic clove pressed through the garlic press, and 1/4 of an onion. Also, you chop it up small and you press it through the garlic press. And a bit of nutmeg. Okay, so to start, I'm going to use the farfalle pasta, which looks like little bow ties. I love this shape. But you can use, like I mentioned, any pasta you like. Fusilli, elbow macaroni, anything you like will work. Spaghetti, it's up to you guys what you want to use. So the next step is we're going to cook our pasta until it's al dente. Al dente means it's cooked but it's still firm. You don't want squishy, mushy pasta. So as soon as it's cooked but still firm, you strain it. You should keep about 1/4 cup of the cooking water just in case you think your sauce is a bit too thick and you want it more liquidy. I'm not saying you're going to use the water, but it's better to have it in case you need it. And meanwhile, while the pasta is cooking, we can make our sauce, which is super easy. What you need is a blender, and in the blender you're going to pour in your evaporated milk, your heavy cream, your grated cheese, your cream cheese, a bit of nutmeg, and I'm using powdered chicken stock. You can use salt. It's also to like, if you use salt, it's much less than the chicken stock powder. This looks like it's a lot, but once you taste it, it's somehow just right. But that's depending on each person's like. So let's get started. Okay, so the pasta is still cooking. It needs maybe 1 more minute. It's soon done. And meanwhile, just so we can finish this off and have it ready before the pasta is fully done, in a pan we're going to put some butter. It's about 2 tablespoons, I guess, I'm not sure. And just a little bit of olive oil so the butter doesn't burn. That's usually what you have to do if you like cooking with butter, otherwise your butter is going to burn. Once it's melted, we add our onion and our garlic in there just to give some fragrance into the butter. And once it's sauteed a little bit, that it gets translucent, we add our chopped up ham in there and we let it fry a little bit. After a couple of minutes, we're going to pour in our sauce. We mix well, and we're going to add our parsley into the sauce. Just let it boil, or simmer actually, not boil, for about 1 minute or 2 so that the sauce thickens. And after that, we just pour in our cooked pasta, which has been drained previously. And if you think that the pasta looks a bit too dry, that the sauce isn't enough, that's when you can add the 1/4 cup of the pasta water that you were supposed to save. Please don't forget that. And if not, then you can just throw it away if you think you don't need it, but that would be it. As you can see, it's super easy. go, we are done. This recipe literally takes 20-30 minutes tops. Right now, while I was finishing, I kind of blurted out that in Mexico, people, including myself, we have the bad habit of going over to people's houses right before lunch or right before dinner, and I mean, you usually have to tell them, hey, would you like to stay over? But since you weren't considering these unexpected guests, you don't have food ready. So these meals are super good for that because you only need to sneak away for 20 minutes and you can give them a really nice, something to eat, something good. And my husband was giggling because us Mexicans, but whatever. I hope you guys make this. I know with Christmas and New Year's and anything, usually time is precious when you're cooking. So this is a very good recipe that will not take a lot of time and it's super yummy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!